Hello everybody, this is just a quick update on this Electrolux Stairmaster. I took the cover off because, as you know, in the previous video it started smoking because the belt was burning because the brush roll wasn't going round and the brush roll had seized up. So here's the brush roll. That end's fine. I've took it out and that end is completely fine and that swivels properly. This end, there's literally nothing left and the inside cap is all melted. So I've ordered a new brush roll from eBay, designed to fit this model. The picture looked the exact same as that brush roll, so hopefully it should fit no problem. And I said if I can't get the brush roll going I'll scrap it, but for £8.99 a new brush roll, so I thought, well, for £8.99 it'd be rude not to buy it, wouldn't it? So I bought it, so there'll be another update on this machine when the new brush roll comes, and hopefully we'll see if it fits. I've ordered a pack of 5 bags as well now because I know the motor's good, so I've got bags and the brush roll on the way for it, so hopefully we can restore it to its former glory. So that was it really. It was just a short video to say hopefully we can get this vacuum cleaner going again. It's Electrolux. Thanks for watching and goodbye.